Place the potatoes in a saucepan with water at the bottom of the pan. Steam for 30 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. Whisk together warm water, maple syrup, and yeast. Let the mixture stand for 5 minutes or until bubbles develop. Place the steamed potato in the food processor and puree. Add yeast mixture, spelt flour, sun-dried tomatoes, 1 tablespoon olive oil, thyme, and 3/4 teaspoon salt. Pulse the processor 5 times, then process for 15 seconds to bring the mixture into a dough ball. Grease a large bowl with olive oil. Once the dough is formed, you'll transfer it to the bowl so it can rise. Dump the dough onto a generously spelt floured surface and knead it until it is springy and smooth. Shape the dough into a ball and place it in the oiled bowl. Cover the bowl with a towel and set it in a warm, dry place. Let it rise until doubled in size. Turn the dough onto a generously spelt floured surface. Evenly divide the dough into 3 pieces and knead each piece briefly. Slice each rectangle into 5 2.5-inch strips. Roll each strip into a rope. Shape each rope into a knot. Brush the knots with olive oil and cover them with a sheet of parchment paper. Combine 6 tablespoons of olive oil, garlic, parsley, and ½ teaspoon of sea salt in a small pan over low heat. Simmer a couple of minutes or just until the garlic softens. Set the fragrant oil aside. Combine walnuts, nutritional yeast flakes, and a pinch of sea salt. Then pulse 10 times or until the nuts are ground into a texture that resembles Parmesan cheese. With a pastry brush, brush the knots with the garlic parsley oil. Sprinkle the knots with the walnut Parmesan topping. Serve warm.